Caron Simply Soft Yarn, watermelon, a 5.50 millimeter needle, an I-9. And whenever I make an intricate detailed, I like to use a smaller needle. You're going to see an extra strand and you're going to see a post, a front post. I'm going to call this as my post. I'm going to call this as my extra single strand. Normally whenever there's an increase, you're going to get the single strand in the next row. In between these two, I like to single crochet. Single crochet one. And now I'm going to close these two stitches with the seashell stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and here's my 5 stitches, and here's my next seashell. And I'm going to single crochet into the following. So whenever I finish a seashell and I'm going to create my first single crochet into the next foundation. So I'm going to do this for a little while just to give you an idea of what I'm doing.